Hi, good evening to all the doctors who've joined in. Very nice to see some of our SD Align partners, who could take off some time to join us for this webinar. I'd request you to keep, yourselves on mute while we start and keep live on the chat room. And also you can unmute yourself if you have to ask me anything in midst of the webinar. Firstly, let me tell you that the reason we are holding the webinar is not getting too much into the technical details. We are just having a short half-an-hour webinars, and this is a series of webinars that we have. We have already conducted 2 in the past, and we would be continuing to do this with aligners. One being because aligners is currently, the best business for you to be in. If you are currently not selling SD Align at your clinic, now is the right time for you to start. During this time of COVID, a lot of the doctors who are with us have had a big boon due to, SD Align. They were able to pitch to their patients, get SD Align done for a lot of patients. And I will take you through just in a minute or so with that entire, section of SD Align, how many doctors we've tied up with, how we work, and why you should choose SD Align over any other aligner system. Before I start with that, I want to tell you that the aligner business today currently is the best flowing than it ever was in the past. There you will come across a lot of companies in which aligners are being introduced to you at your clinic. Now, as a dentist, for you and me, you'd be confused that, which aligner should you give to your patient. To make it extremely easy for you, we have broken down the webinar into a small part for you to understand why you should choose SD Align over any other aligner system. Okay, we help you to also engage your patients and help you to get your patients to start with aligners. All over the world, aligners are done, instead of braces at a lot of places all over the world. In India, it has started, it's booming currently. So if you've not entered into that, aligners business, you require to enter in along with SD Align. Okay, so I'll not waste a lot of time and we'll start with, as I said, keep the chat room is open for you to ask any doubts. You could also unmute yourself at that time. I'll be sharing my screen and we'll start with, why would you choose to do SD Align as part of your clinical practice? Now, SD Align, as you know, as a company, we first let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Zita. Zita Sequeira. I am one of, the directors for the expert team with SD Align. I myself have seen more than 1,500 cases of our aligners, SD Align, going through with patients, and they are ongoing currently. I'll give you a good statistics about us and for you to know that why would you choose this, over another aligner system. And many a times you need not do braces for patients and you can give them a better option. Need not get into cosmetic dentistry, that means veneers or anything, when you have something this natural for you to give to your patient. Okay. This is now our network partner reach. Many of you who joined the webinar are part of our partner reach. What does that mean? That we have across 31 states currently, more than 1,500 dentists doing SD Align at their clinics. Okay. Other than that, among these dentists, there are more than 600 cases that are ongoing. That means they are identified. Some cases possibly had, got rejected because he told them honestly that this case should be going for braces and don't go for aligners. So we have got so many cases, but currently aligners per se with SD Align, we are doing 600 plus cases. I will show you some before and after, which are already completed. There's something known as our digital partners, which we have too. And soon during the course of this webinar, I want to introduce to you our SD Align provider network. You yourself as a dentist in your city can become an SD Align provider. It just means that during this time, if you have great connections or you have associates in your city itself, you can become an SD Align provider yourself. Already you are part of our network. If you're not part of the network still, I'd require you to, WhatsApp on a particular number. I'll share the details at the end. You WhatsApp if you're not part of the network yet. Okay, you'll get empaneled with us, and you can start off with cases with aligners along with us. So don't miss the bus, because right now is the right time for you to start. There are a lot of cases that are coming in where patients themselves would ask for aligners. You will see hoardings of marketing going on, about aligners, so that patients are more and more aware. You should not get confused with the different aligner systems. You should know that why you should choose SD Align, as your partner, because we, along with you, we are also growing. We take you along with us as we grow. Okay. How is that? Is many of the doctors who've already done cases with us would understand, because even when they've started one case of SD Align, automatically in the second, third, fourth month, they have immediately gone to 2 to 3 to 4 cases. We hold these webinars, monthly, at least once or twice, even for you to technically get okay with how aligners work. The best part about us is, which you'll know, it's clinician oriented. Clinician oriented, that means if you ever start your first case, you will realize that we take you on a Zoom call just like this with the orthodontist team, and you can see the entire aligner planning of your case, which encourages you to get another case and then another case and then another case. That's why all of our network partners, if they have started one, they by the fifth month have already done 5 to 10 cases of SD Align, because that's how we'll boost your confidence, in speaking also to the patient on what's to be done, because you are learning by each case of yours, by doing each and every case. Okay, so you are part of the planning. We take you along with us. Now, as I said, that the confusion arises with us dentists, right? Which aligners should I quote to my patient? He's willing. You finally made him understand why aligners are better as compared to doing any other treatment. Now, why aligners? Why SD Align? Well, I have actually seen or worked with a lot of different aligner companies with my patients, delivered many aligners to the patient, at least of 10 different companies. And all of them had this problem, is the day you have a plan that you have shown a patient and he has agreed, the aligners would come after possibly 30, 40 days. So I have collected money from the patient and I'm not delivering anything to him for another month. Okay. So what we have with SD Align is we'll take you through the process of how the whole procedure goes. But what do? Within 1 week of you approving the treatment plan? We deliver these aligners to you in 7 days. It reaches your clinic. In some of our cases, in fact, our network partners would tell you it's even reached them in 5 days also, or less. But we say 7 days, 1 week, the aligners are delivered to you. You call your patient and give him the aligners. Okay, that's one of the biggest advantages. Provides better patient satisfaction. Whatever he has paid for, he's receiving immediately. You don't make him wait for longer. The second big advantage of choosing SD Align is, what are now free reboots and refinements. If you've done aligners, what you'll notice is in the first few months, your patient is wearing his aligners, extremely well. There's absolutely no problem. But sometimes what happens, if they are, sometimes lazy or they've forgotten to take the aligner, they forget to wear the aligners, and then the aligner may not fit him, say in the third month or the fourth month. So in many of the aligner companies, if you have got to give the patient a new set of aligners or ask him to redo, for any odd reason he his next aligner does not fit, this reboot case would be charged to you as a dentist again, and then you will have to take it from the patient. With us, our reboots are free. We do not charge you for the reboot in your case. Okay, till your case is over, whatever time period is given for your case, our reboots are absolutely free. Free refinements, that means at the end of your case, you want to go to your dentist and you need to refine the smile a little. You want to be perfect, right? And you want the patient to be perfect. If you want to, refine that smile a little, at the end, you might want to add in 1 or 2 aligners for the patient to wear to just get that 0.5 mm little bit that you want to get corrected. You're not, perfectly happy. Those are called refinements. Now, again, with another aligner company, you will be charged per refinement. But for us, as I said, refinements here are free during your time period. Okay. Clinician control, as I told you earlier, you will be on a Zoom call just like this with your patient's treatment plan and our orthodontist with you. And he will be explaining to you the treatment plan that your patient will go through and each and every stage of his orthodontic treatment with SD Align. Once we show you that, you are completely part of that treatment planning. It will take you hardly half an hour. Otherwise, in other cases, the plan is given to you, you give the aligner to the patient, you have no idea which tooth is moving where. Okay, that is the disadvantage of you not being with SD Align. With SD Align, we take you with us. If you, have given your patient that, you will know exactly what is happening at every stage. Even in between, if you want to ask doubts, we are there. You want to come on to a Zoom call and show the plan and say, okay, what can be done here? Our orthodontists are available to you. It's completely clinician controlled. There is nothing, that could go wrong because there's screen sharing. You are in complete control of the treatment. Rapid case planning and setup, because I told you that within 2 days you would get, if you send us the photographs, the form, as per our procedure, within 2 days you will get a setup. So you're not making the patient wait for very long. He comes back immediately to you. And it's an immediate case planning done extremely rapidly. You will not get this anywhere this fast. You won't get a setup this fast. We give it to you within 2 days. It's affordable to the patient because we are, giving it to you at a good price, which you can then forward it off to your patient. We also give you options of, paying us in EMIs. So what happens is, helps you to be flexible, with your, any purchase crunch that you have. Okay. The last big advantage is the attachment options. I have a slide specifically for that for you to understand. If you see on the slide, there are various attachments onto our aligners. In some aligner companies, you will see some of them. In some aligner companies, you will see some attachments. You will not see all of them. Here, the best part is for any kind of movement that you require to do, it is not going to be impossible because we can um, put in any attachment that is required for specific movements. Okay, and it will be explained to you if you require to come on the Zoom call to understand that. Okay, so all different kind of attachment options are available with SD Align. Many of them are also customized. Most of them are customized to that particular treatment when it's required to be moved in a particular way. Okay, so that's the expertise that goes in at the back end. And you have these attachment options, extremely versatile library of attachments, which you do not get with other companies. There you'll have specific number of attachments that are put. They believe only in some. Here we believe that it has to go via the treatment. If the treatment needs it, that attachment is required and that option is then given, okay, to the patient. So you have attachment options. These are some of the key reasons why you choose. Already our network has spread across 31 states. You have a lot of doctors coming in, joining us and giving cases, into SD Align, and that is why I could show you some cases that are completed. Very, very happy patients and very happy network partners. Most of our network partners, they would call us, those are dentists, they would call us and say, wow, you know, you're actually helping us understand aligners completely. Okay, so even if you start with your first case, you learn so much more, and after that your second, third case, you will, you know, definitely become an expert with aligners, and which will help you to, if I use the right word, sell it to your patient. You will be able to quote it to your patient and give it to your patient, you know, as an option. uh, Giving aligners to your patient during this time, especially when you during these COVID times, is a big boon to a lot of dentists. Okay, the process that we follow now with SD Align, it's a simple process where either the scanning, you can scan the impression of the patient, the mouth of the patient, or you make an impression and send it across. Before that, if you want a preliminary approval, you can just take ortho photographs, okay, of the case, send it to us via WhatsApp will do. We can get an approval that, okay, this could be done with aligners, and you start doing it with aligners. So first, then you make your impression or a scan. We would then prepare the model by our experts. We prepare a digitally CAD model from that impression. We align and segment the teeth. Then there's a treatment planning. Okay, then models are printed, and finally we make the aligners. We trim, finish, polish, and pack them. Okay, all this is done with an entire team of experts. There is a different team for each and every step. Okay, so each one is concentrating completely on you know, that procedure and that step of the aligner, so that there are no mistakes at any line that you will see. Okay, now for your delivery, SD Align delivery, we have specific you know, a time frame for each of it. So from day 0 till day 13, you have your patient getting the aligner straight to them. Okay, you submit your case details and photographs immediately. We'll give you, you know, go ahead that this can be done. After we approve that case, you make your impression or scan and send it. After that, we design the model and you'll receive a virtual setup. You approve that setup with your patient, you or your orthodontist. You can come on to a live calling with us, as I said, clinician oriented, so you can be completely oriented with the plan. Final approval by you and the orthodontist with this treatment plan. Okay, and you give a go ahead to our aligner team, that's our orthodontist team, to go ahead with the production. Once that is there, you will receive it within you know, 7 weeks, 7 days or so. All right, and then you deliver it to your patient. um, what do you get, you know, what does your patient get along with these aligners is also something is so nicely given by SD Align, which makes it extremely easy for the patient to just pick it up and you know, go with the aligners anywhere. He's going you know, abroad, later on it helps him if, you know, sometimes because of job they're shifting cities. Okay, all of that just makes it easy for the patient. Even if, say, you've made the impression on the first day and your patient is shifting on day 7, we can deliver the aligners to your patient itself. And since we have so many network partners, someone in that city will help your patient out. Okay, this is how our packaging goes. Okay, you have this lovely travel box. You will get an aligner remover. You'll get an aligner cleaning brush, okay, so that the patient can clean his aligners when he removes them. Chewies, another distinct feature that we have compared to other aligners is that we give 3 different type of chewies for the patient to bite down onto the aligner so that they fit well. The reason why these are given in different locations to bite down differently, the pressure required is a little different. So we have ourselves seen that you require different shapes of chewies. Otherwise, simple round chewies won't do. For that, we have made, you know, customized 3 different type of chewies at different places to be chewed on. which helps the aligner to fit in perfectly well. An instruction manual for you and for the patient, okay, is given along with this packaging. That instruction manual, if the patient reads it himself or herself, she could follow those instructions and be very happy with her aligners. Okay, so you get this into your packaging box, SD Align box. Okay, very easy and comfortable for the patient. Now coming down to, as I said, it is easy on your pockets. You can make it easy on the patient's pocket as well. This depends when you are going for, easier cases to moderate to severe cases. These are 15 aligner sets. That means upper lower 15. Okay, that gets over within 6 to 8 months time. That price would be at 25,000 to you. You need not do anything for the patient except the patient is wearing the aligner. So you don't have to do any treatment like as in a root canal or an implant. The time that you're taking, the chest side time, the instruments, everything that you're using, okay, for that patient is a lot for you to calculate and then, charge a patient. Here, your chest side time is much lesser. Materials used by you is almost negligible. And you can directly take in all the profit above that, whatever you are charging the patient. Okay, so you should be smart with aligner treatments. You should know, approximately how much you should charge. You could at your clinic also charge your patient, monthly, 3 monthly or so with aligners, and give the set of aligners to the patient only at a span of that, EMI time that he's paying you. So you give him, just 3 sets and give him another 3 sets each time. How does that help is the patient, once you see his progress, you know that he's wearing it and that he has no problems with it, so that he will then recommend aligners to all SD Align to all other patients outside. Okay, that's the key in you meeting the patient again and again. You meeting them gives you an opportunity to not charge him all at once. You could give him an option of paying you, in certain parts if you wish. Okay. This is what you'd get along, as I said, unlimited reboots, refinements up to your case expiry time, free chewies, the aligner removing tool, a storage box. Okay. If your aligner gets damaged for any reason, or worn out, we would replace that aligner for free. If you send us photographs and tell us, doctor, this is not fitting, okay, we would give it to you, make a new aligner without charging you for it. Okay, because we believe that the treatment has to go on well. We believe that the final result has to be, what has been promised to you and the patient. Okay, we don't want that at the end, the patient is not happy, because that would just involve 10 more patients not being happy outside, right? He would be telling them. But once you have a happy patient going out, you will have him getting you more and more patients for aligners itself. Okay, we deliver them in batches of 6, as I told you, so that you keep meeting your patient. Click photos at each of these stages so that we know that he's progressing well. Our aim is to get the best treatment to your patient, to give the patient what he deserves, what you have promised that you would give him. Okay, that is at your virtual setup. When you showed him, you are actually delivering everything that you've shown him at that setup stage. Okay. We have an offer, however, for all those getting onto the network. As I said, if you're not onto our partner network of SD Align, now is the time. Book your first case, okay, get patients. Daily, you will at least see, one person who requires aligners. The slightest movement of that tooth, minimally rotated, get that person to do aligners with you, SD Align with you, and book in your first case. This is our charge to you right now as a offer, as a trial offer, so that you try SD Align. We promise that you're going to be very happy once you start. because once you start with SD Align, you are just going to continue. Okay, and your practice will be booming. You will just have to build aligners at your clinic, and without much of chest side time, you will be doing extremely well as a practice. Okay, so book in your first case. It's applicable to all of you, but one case for each dentist registration number. So if you've not got onto our network, you've got to go there. Those already on our network platform, we have something else that's down the pipeline for you. Before that, I'll just show you. These have been done in 12 months time, meaning, 12 aligners, that means 6 months time. And the patient is extremely happy. Okay, both these patients very, very happy with SD Align. Now, if the patient would go and, either put braces or go with some other alignment system, this would take him that much time to even get the aligners in some. Okay, within that time, the treatment is also over with SD Align for these patients. Do not miss out on such cases. Okay, when you see the slightest rotation, slightest movement, you will have all of these people agreeing to align their teeth. Okay, we do have another webinar which we will tell you on how to, pitch aligners to your patient, how to pitch SD Align to your patient, so that you can convince your patient to do SD Align, with you. Now, for our network partners already, this is our new program. Okay, this is being and coming on board and becoming an SD aligned provider. As I told you, we have spread across the whole of India, almost in like every many cities, small cities, metro cities. We have spread across in all these places. We have dentists at many of these locations doing SD align. Now, if you are on a network partner, what you could do is, if you are one of them, you could be an exclusive city manager. You could be an SD Align, provider. How does this work? Is now for this you've got to contact us quickly, because there could be 10 dentists who want to be a provider, near your location. So what you could do is you can become an SD Align provider. We will give you extensive training on aligners so that you could choose cases, give treatment plans, deliver the aligners, help dentists with the IPR attachments, track these aligners and review them. Okay, and if you can do this, if you have a lot of associates and other dentists in your city, what would help you is that friend of yours, that colleague or associate contacts you for SD Align, and then you contact us. What do you get out of it? What happens that whenever a patient walks into your clinic, you have already earned these points. Okay, we would give you certain points where you could redeem in your aligner case. If you have an aligner, then we would provide the aligners for you. This works just like how your cashbacks work. So if you would like to be a network partner and a provider in your city, you would have to connect with the dentists all near city and convince them about SD Align and how it has helped you, and ask them to also start. Their first case also will be for our trial offer. They can try SD Align out, and more cases you get as the more you will earn. Okay, it's as simple as that. More the network of dentists that you will have more mouth, more patients, right? And more smiles to correct with those dentists. So the more dentists that the more associates you can spread about SD Align to them, and you will be our provider for that city. Okay, we will be training you exclusively on aligners, on SD Align, about the planning, and you will be heading that region. Okay, you will be the city manager for that region. We already have two managers, doctors who have already opted for this option. They are doing very, very well with us because they have convinced their associates, their friends and they have all done extremely well with SD Align. They are very happy with the aligners, so they get more and more cases. Each time they get cases, our provider benefits from that because he has contacted us with that case. Okay, so you can be an SD Align provider in your region, your area. Okay, just contact us. You can WhatsApp or call on the number. You can email on networkpartner@sdalign.in. Okay, any doubts that you have regarding SD Align, if you want to know, how we work, how, the entire procedure goes. If you're, your first time with SD Align, you want to know how our procedure goes, we can help you by, if you just call or WhatsApp, write in your doubts to us, and we will get back to you instantly. Okay, you can visit our website also to see our cases and how, as I have shown you, day 0 to the last day that you receive the aligner, how fast and rapidly our setup and planning would go. All right. Thank you for joining us for this webinar. We will be holding more technical webinars where we will teach you how IPR and attachments are put. Also teach you how the aligner system works different from braces. Okay. So just as today, we wanted to introduce to you our network partner and explain to you why you should not be confused with the different aligner systems and why SD Align would be your place to go. Lastly, we send you marketing material. We send you brochures, we send you tent cards, and we send you, things that you can put up at your clinic so that a patient can even look at it and ask you about aligners. Okay, if you have not received any of our marketing material yet, please contact us on the number given. Okay, call or WhatsApp and we will send it across to you. Okay. Yes, that's it for today, doctors. Please quote and pitch to your patients about aligners. Tell them how it's benefiting them. Contact us for any cases. Whenever in doubt, send photographs. Okay, WhatsApp photographs to us. We will get back to you, in a few minutes that yes, you could quote aligners. Okay, so this is a big thank you from the SD Align team. I've given you the contact numbers. Do let us know if we can be of help to you. If you require any other assistance of any kind, please write in to us. Okay, have a very good evening and enjoy yourselves. Bye. Stay safe.